Mistplay's value after 30 days depends less on the number of games you install, and more on whether the games available to you actually offer rewards you want to redeem. By the end, you'll know what to check during a 30-day Mistplay test, where the real value comes from, and when the app is probably not worth your time. The first thing to understand is how Mistplay works. Mistplay rewards eligible gameplay with units that can be exchanged for rewards available in the app. The exact earning rate, game selection, offers and available rewards can vary by user, location, device, and time. That means there is no honest universal answer like, you will make exactly this much after 30 days. Anyone promising a fixed dollar amount without checking the current account and offer conditions is guessing. For a 30-day review, track 3 things. First, record your starting balance. Then record the games you play, the time you spend, and the units you earn. At the end of each week, check your Mistplay balance and compare it with the amount of time you actually spent gaming. Second, check the reward options before spending significant time on a game. Mistplay's available rewards can change, and the reward catalog you see is the one that matters for your account. If the rewards available to you are useful, the units have practical value. If you do not want any of the available rewards, earning more units does not make the app more useful. Third, pay attention to tracking. Mistplay needs to recognize qualifying gameplay for you to earn units. If a game is not tracking correctly, spending more time playing does not solve the underlying problem. Check your game activity inside Mistplay after starting a new title. If tracking is missing, troubleshoot that issue before investing hours into the game. After 30 days, calculate your effective return. Take the value of the reward you can actually redeem and compare it with the total time you spent. This gives you a much more useful answer than simply looking at your unit balance. Mistplay can make sense if you already enjoy mobile games and treat the rewards as an extra benefit. It makes less sense if you are playing games you do not enjoy purely to chase rewards, or if tracking problems repeatedly interrupt your sessions. There is also an opportunity cost issue. 30 minutes spent on a low-value game is still 30 minutes, even if the app awards units. So, is Mistplay still worth it in 2026? For casual mobile gamers, it can be worth testing because the basic idea is simple. Play eligible games and exchange accumulated units for available rewards. But your own 30-day results are more useful than someone else's payout claim. Your next step is to track your time, units earned, and redeemable reward value for 30 days, then calculate your actual return per hour. If this helped you decide whether Mistplay is worth your time, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews and troubleshooting guides.